Ladies and gentlemen, in my video tutorial, I'll provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam that is actually related to the site applecareonline.com. So some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by applecareonline.com website. Some people might think that this is some real message from Apple, but this is not true. Such pop-ups are fake security alerts. They are not related to Apple. And they quote this fake Apple support number, which is +1 888 393 5303. Do not ever call this fake number. It is not associated with Apple. Instead, there are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups and they try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you waste money into their favor, supposedly for fixing your computer. So if you see these pop-ups, do not trust them. These are fake Apple security alerts. Just leave this deceptive page. What we recommend you to do is researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.